Welcome to my channel, friends. How are you? Today video topic is home garden design. Home gardens designs refer to the planning, layout and arrangement of plants, pathways, structures and features within a residential garden space. A well-designed home garden not only enhances the beauty of your property but also increase its value by creating a visually appealing outdoor space that complements the architecture of your home. Friends, a well-designed home garden enhances the beauty and functionality of outdoor spaces, creating a pleasant and inviting environment for relaxation, recreation, and enjoyment. By carefully planning the layout and arrangements of plants, pathways, and features within your garden, you can create a harmonious environment that invites relaxation, recreation, and enjoyment for you and your family. Incorporating a variety of elements such as flower beds, vegetable patches, trees, shrubs, and decorative accents allows to you personalize your garden to reflect your unique personality and tastes, turning it into a true extension of your living space. Friends, thoughtful consideration of factors such as the local climate, soil conditions, sun exposure, and water availability ensures that your garden is not only beautiful but also sustainable and low maintenance, saving your time and effort in the long run. Whether you prefer a formal garden with structured plantings and symmetrical design or a more naturalistic approach with meandering pathways and wildflower meadows, home garden design offers endless possibilities for creating a space that suits your lifestyle and preferences. Friends, please like, share and comment on my video and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.